This application uses one strip of KT tape halved lengthwise and half of one resulting strip. Take the long half strip of KT tape and tear the paper backing 2 inches from one end. With your finger in a slightly flexed position, palm down, place your anchor with no stretch over your fingernail and tip, directing the strip away from your hand. Now remove the paper backing, leaving a 2-inch portion of paper backing still adhered on the end for ease of handling. Control the anchor with an adjacent finger. Turn your hand palm up and apply a moderate stretch, directing the strip over the front of your finger and palm, toward and onto your wrist. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Now as you slowly extend your finger, apply the tape down onto the skin of your palm and finger. Next, take one small strip of tape tearing the paper backing in the middle. Apply with no stretch on the front of your finger just beyond the painful joint. While holding the anchor with your thumb on the same hand and your finger slightly flexed, peel the paper backing, leaving a small amount remaining on the tape for easy handling. With a moderate stretch, direct the tape over the side of the painful joint, applying the last 2 inches with no stretch on the top of the finger above the joint. Finish with a gentle rub to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.